Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, moms, and good morning, everyone. In the morning, we from Group 6 like to do a presentation about FAO Factory Overhead Planning Actual and Applied with Studi Kasus Adiguna Konveksi Group 6. And my group member, I'm Reva Iriani, Muhammad Farhan, Sidik Nuriksan, and Anisha Eka Mandiri. As for the topic that we will discuss this morning about determine factory overhead in this component, calculation of overhead rate, applied factory overhead and the over or under applied amount, and dispersion of over or under applied factory overhead. And the first material about determine factory overhead in this component presented by me. Factory overhead cost characteristic. Factory overhead costs are production costs other than material costs and direct labor costs. There are several characteristics of factory overhead costs, including the number or unprofessional with the production volume, cannot be directly traced and identified, and many types. Other than used for factory overhead are factor expense, production overhead, indirect production cost, manufacturing expense, and factory overhead, and others. The next is use of a determined overhead rate. Factory overhead cost can be assigned to the product or other based on actual quantity or at predetermined rates. Assigning cost to products based on actual quantity can be problematic for a number of reasons. 1. The actual total factory overhead cost can only be known at the end of the year. 2. Calculation in overhead costs due to certain type of costs that only occur in a period. And 3. Difficult to track factory overhead costs directly to others. And the next about factor considered in selecting overhead rates. Type of overhead rate differ not only from one company to another, but also from undetermined cost center. At least 5 factors influence the selection of overhead rates. The first best to use it, 2. Activity level selection, 3. Including for excluding fixed overhead, 4. Use of single rate of several rates, and 5. Use separate rates for service activity. The next about manufacturing overhead cost basis. The basis cost estimate consists of production unit, material cost, direct labor cost, direct labor hours, machine working hours, and activity. The first production unit rate, it is estimated factory overhead per estimated unit production. In Adiguna Confection, estimated factory overhead in August 2021 adalah 10 juta and estimated unit production 300 unit. Maka 10 juta dibagi 3.000 sama dengan 3.333 unit. And August 800 unit were product. Then the total factory overhead charge was 240.000 dari 800 unit dikali 3.000. Selanjutnya factory overhead rate calculation. Di situ ada produk, estimated quantity, point assigned, estimated total point, estimated FOH per point, estimated FOH per egg product, estimated FOH per cost unit cost. Produknya ada short pants, basic pants, dan totalnya itu di estimated total point itu ada 355 dan estimated FOH per egg product itu 710. Maka rate per wagernya 710 dari estimated FOH per egg product dibagi 355 yang berasal dari estimated total point. Maka hasil akhirnya adalah 2. The next about direct material cost base. Calculation of material rates can be done by calculating the estimated overhead cost with the estimated material cost. Estimated factory overhead per estimated material cost dikali 100. Contohnya di Adiguna, estimated total factory overhead adalah 10 juta dan estimated material cost-nya 8 juta. Maka rumusnya 10 juta dibagi 8 juta dikali 100 sama dengan 125%. And the cost of material use is 6 juta dan the amount of factory overhead charge is 7.500.000. The three about direct labor cost base. The factory overhead rate is calculated by dividing the estimated total factory overhead cost by the estimated total direct labor cost. Rumusnya estimated factory overhead per estimated direct labor cost dikali 100. In Adiguna, the estimated factory overhead costs are 10 juta and the estimated total direct labor costs are 12 juta. Maka 10 juta dibagi 12 juta sama dengan 8,33%. The number of direct labor is 10.500.000 dan the total factory overhead cost charge is 874,65 yang didapat dari 10.500.000 dikali 8,33%. Okay, the next material, direct labor house base, presented by Muhammad Farhan. To Muhammad Farhan, you're welcome.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Today I will explain about direct labor hour base. Direct labor hour base, the basis for assigning factory overhead cost based on direct labor hours is carried out to anticipate the weakness of loading based on the amount of direct labor cost. Rumusnya, estimated factory overhead divided by estimated direct labor hours. The factory overhead budget at Adiguna is 10 juta and the estimated number of direct labor hours is 215 jam per bulan. Rumusnya 10 juta dibagi 215 sama dengan 46,511. The number of direct labor hours in a production period is 208 jam. Then the total factory overhead charge become 9.674.288. Next, machine hour base. The assignment of factory overhead cost based on machine hours is appropriate if the machines are used effectively and the components of factory overhead cost are depreciation, maintenance cost, and other machine usage cost. Rumusnya, estimated factory overhead divided by estimated machine hours. In Adiguna, factory overhead estimates of 10 juta and estimated machine use of 300. Jadi 10 juta dibagi 300 sama dengan 33,333. And it turns out that the actual working hours of the machine are 240 jam per bulan. Then the total factory overhead charge become 8 juta atau 240 dikali 33,333. And the selection of activity level. There are 4 levels of activity used in calculating factory overhead costs, including first, theoretical capacity. According to this theory, the facility has full capacity to produce at 100% capacity without interruption. Second, practical capacity. According to this theory, it is impossible for the facilities used to run 100% because there may be engine damage or other problems. The capacity this theory is 75% dan 85%. Third, expected actual capacity. Expected actual capacity is production capacity based on actual output produced. For normal capacity is the long-term average production capacity to avoid fluctuations in the production rate. This capacity is about 75%. Effect of various capacity levels on determine factory overhead rates. Item percentage of theory, normal capacity 75%, expected actual capacity 80%, practical capacity 85%, theoretical capacity 100%. Machine hours, normal capacity 225, expected actual capacity 240, practical capacity 255, theoretical capacity 300. Budgeted factory overhead, fixed normal capacity 10 juta, expected actual capacity 10 juta, practical capacity 10 juta, theoretical capacity 10 juta. Variable normal capacity 4.500. Okay, the next is calculation of overhead rate. Calculation of an overhead rate. Factory overhead cost in Adiguna in August 2021. Expense indirect labor fixed 5 juta, variable 5.500.000, total 10.500.000. Overtime premium variable 2 juta, total 2 juta. Factory supplies fixed 4 juta, variable 6 juta, total 10 juta. Repair and maintenance fixed 4 juta, variable 4.500.000, total 8.500.000. Water and electric fixed 3 juta, variable 5 juta, total 8 juta. Depreciation building fixed 4 juta, total 4 juta. Depreciation equipment fixed 5 juta, total 5 juta. Total estimated factory overhead fixed 25 juta, variable 23 juta, total 48 juta. The number of machine working hours in use at Adiguna is 300 working hours, and the total factory overhead budget is 48 juta. Consisting of fixed cost and variable cost, the factory overhead rate at this selected activity level is factory overhead rate equals estimated factory overhead divided by estimated machine hours, atau 48 juta dibagi 300 sama dengan 160. The factory overhead rate can be divided into fixed and variable component as follows. Fixed, rumusnya estimated fixed factory overhead divided by estimated machine hours, atau 25 juta dibagi 300 sama dengan 83,3. Dan variable, rumusnya estimated variable factory overhead divided by estimate machine hours, atau 23 juta dibagi 300 sama dengan 76,7. Total factory overhead rate sama dengan 160 per jam.
Okay, my friend, I will explain about applied factory overhead and the offer or other applied amount. Applied factory overhead and the offer or other applied amount. At the end of the period, the total factory overhead assigned to product or order will be compared with the actual overhead incurred. In Adiguna, it is known that the actual machine working hours used are 240 hours and the factory overhead rate is 160 per machine working hour. Recording factory overhead costs involve the following transaction. Yang pertama, A. Recording of factory overhead cost. Work in process pada factory overhead control sebesar 38.400.000. Yang kedua, journal to record actual factory overhead cost. Jurnalnya adalah actual factory overhead pada order account sebesar 42.500.000. Dan yang ketiga, journal to record closing of the factory overhead account. Jurnalnya adalah applied factory overhead pada factory overhead control sebesar 38.400.000. Selanjutnya, recording the difference between factory overhead and cost of goods sold. OFH yang dibebankan sebesar 38.400.000 di debit dan 38.400.000 di kredit. Selanjutnya, OFH sesungguhnya 42.500 di kredit, di debit, dan 38.400.000 dan 4.100.000 di kredit. Dan selanjutnya, harga pokok penjualan sebesar 4.100.000 di debit dan 4.100.000 di kredit. Selanjutnya, the difference is allocated to the account of good in process 10%, finish good 20%, and COGS sebesar 70%. Journal to record the different FOH yaitu work in process sebesar 410.000, finish good sebesar 820.000, cost of goods sold sebesar 2.870.000, pada aktual FOH sebesar 4.100.000. Baik, terima kasih. Selanjutnya akan disampaikan oleh Saudari Anisha Eka.
Baik, saya akan melanjutkan yang disposition of over or under applied factory overhead. The difference in factory overhead cost can be present as an indication to the cost of goods sold. Adiguna konveksi income segmen Agustus 2022. Sales 20 juta, less cost of goods sold itu 6.250.000. Under applied factory overhead itu 4.100.000. Jadi totalnya itu 10.350.000. Gross profit itu 9.650.000, less marketing expense itu 2 juta, administrative expense itu 500.000, operating income itu 2.500.000, jadi totalnya 7.150.000. Adiguna konveksi cost of goods sold statement Agustus 2022. Direct material usage itu 8 juta, direct labor usage 12 juta, applied factory overhead itu 38.400.000, total manufacturing cost itu 58.400.000, less increase in work in process inventory itu 8 juta, cost of goods manufacture itu 50.400.000, plus the rest in finished goods inventory itu 10 juta. Cost of goods sold itu 60.400.000, plus under applied factory overhead itu 4.100.000. Adjusted cost of goods sold itu 64.500.000. Baik, itu dapat saya jelaskan. Saya kembalikan ke moderator.
Okay, thank you Anisha for the material. That's our group presentation this morning. Thank you for attention and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.